Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with the Birders. Today we're making bagels part 2 to Eine, Kleine Nachtmusik. First we're starting out with 375 grams of water. We're making the sponge first. I got this wrong in the first video. I called it mash, it's sponge. Next we're adding 20 grams of water. Here's the yeast, fancy little transition for you. About 8 grams. Next, we're doing the dry ingredients. Separate container here. We've got 325 grams of bread flour. Sifted in there. It should be pretty sticky. We're gonna mix it up in a second. You'll see it'll be very sticky and liquidy still. And now we're gonna cover it and let it sit for 3 hours. Alright, look at all those bubbles. That's what we're looking for. Super jiggly. That's to let all the flavors ferment, all the enzymes, reactivity and stuff. Okay, now we're gonna finish the dough. We're gonna do another 325 grams of bread flour. We're going to add a little bit of diastic malt syrup, some salt, diastic malt powder, I'm sorry. Now we're going to mix them together. Alright, now we're mixing and we're mixing. We've got this. And now we're pouring it on the counter, and guys, we're gonna mix for 20 whole minutes. We've gotta knead it really good. If you have a stand-up mixer, that's ideal. But we've got that mixed. We let it sit for about 10 minutes, and now we're weighing it. We're splitting it into 8 separate portions. They're about 27 grams each for my dough. Alright, we've got it portioned out, and we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. It's a moist towel over it. Now we're portioning it into loaves. We're kind of folding it in on itself and twisting the bottom together so it's sealed. And now it's sat for 10 minutes, and we're poking holes in it to make the bagel shape. You can see the bagel shape there. We're going to do that to all of them. You can see that bagel shape. Retrospectively, I would have made the holes a little bit smaller. They turned out a little bit flat. Okay, now it's sat overnight in the fridge and then got back to room temperature. Now we're going to make the boiling solution. It's going to be barley malt syrup and baking soda. Here are the bagels boiling in there. And then for one of our toppings, we're doing Asiago cheese. Is just boiling the other ones. 1 minute on each side, guys. It's a little bit fast here, but here's our other toppings. And here's it finished, where you baked it and then we cut it. Now we're toasting it. And we've got some cream cheese. Okay, we bit into it. Really good, really good. My quadruplet also thinks it's really good. Thanks for watching, Birders. Like and subscribe. We love you. Bye-bye.